In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Tableau. If you're new to Tableau or just looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will walk you through the process so you can set up a professional and informative dashboard in no time. To get started, first open your preferred web browser and search for Tableau. Once you've accessed the Tableau homepage, you'll need to log into your existing account or sign up for a new one if you haven't yet. Having an account will allow you to access all the features we'll be using today. After logging in, navigate to the top menu and click on New to select Workbook. It's time now to connect to a data source. Whether your data is in Excel, a CSV file, or an external database, Tableau makes it easy to connect and import your data seamlessly. Just follow the prompts to get your data ready for analysis. Once your data is imported, it's essential to preview and clean it. This is where you can remove any null values or create calculated fields, ensuring that your data is accurate and ready to be utilized. By cleaning your data up front, you'll make the following steps much smoother. Next, at the bottom of your screen, look for the option to create a new dashboard. This will be your workspace where you'll build and organize your visualizations. With the dashboard open, it's time to create individual visualizations. You can do this by dragging dimensions and measures onto the shelves in your workbook. Tableau's Show Me panel is an excellent resource for exploring different chart types that best suit your data, whether it be bar charts, line graphs, or scatter plots. As you build these visualizations, create separate worksheets to represent various aspects of your data. For example, you might want to display sales by month or compare profits across different products. Breaking your data into digestible pieces will help you tell a clearer story to your audience. After preparing your worksheets, integrate them into your dashboard by dragging and dropping each one from the Sheets list onto your dashboard canvas. Arrange them in a way that is visually appealing and easy to understand. Tableau allows for both tiled and floating layouts, so choose the style that best fits your narrative and data complexity. To enhance the clarity and aesthetics of your dashboard, consider adding objects like text boxes to provide context or images and blank spaces to improve the overall layout. This final touch will ensure your dashboard not only conveys the right information, but also engages and holds the attention of your viewers. And there you go. With your polished dashboard ready, you're set to share insightful data stories with others. Thanks for watching, and happy dashboarding.